There's a ton of features packed into OSIsoft's customer portal. If you want more detailed information, go to my.osisoft.com and click on any of the how-to links for a full breakdown. But in this video, I'm going to try to cover as much as I can in just about 2 minutes. So we're going to go pretty quick. Are you ready? Let's do this. Number 1. Online support case creation. Create new cases, search old ones, and streamline communication with our tech support teams. The new online case creation form is intended to cut down on the time spent communicating back and forth just to gather basic case information like site number, product name, product version, etc. Providing all this information up front allows us to automatically route you to engineers with the skills to handle your case most efficiently. Number 2. Improve search. myOSIsoft's enhanced search will make it easier for you to find exactly what you're looking for all in one place. We're implementing a best-in-class search engine that will span across OSIsoft's resources like Live Library, KB Articles, and PySquare. Number 3. Customize homepage. See at a glance everything that's important to you right when you log in. The top widget gives you summaries for things that you care about, such as case needing your attention, your site's overall cases, and scheduled services. The feed is a customizable, curated timeline of major events like your case updates, alerts, and security bulletins. Number 4. Expanded knowledge base. We're redesigning how KB articles should be. Shorter, more precise, and conveniently tagged. Access the same great resources our product support engineers do with ever-growing KB articles. Number 5. Quotes, POs, and Services. Expanding myOSIsoft to more than just support, we're adding features that include the ability to see your quotes, submit purchase order, request services, check voucher status, and much, much more. Number 6. Manage your users. Admin users of sites can add their own users to myOSIsoft, controlling who has permission to open cases, submit POs, and much more. So now you can manage users all by yourself right from within the portal. Alright, well I hope we made that in just under 2 minutes or around 2 minutes. And those are just the top 6 features. There's so much more to explore. I hope you have fun discovering all the great features of myOSIsoft. I'm curious, what's your favorite feature of the OSIsoft customer portal? Let me know in the discussion below. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Bye!